Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate for dipping strawberries. First, select a good quality chocolate, such as semi-sweet or milk chocolate, about 12 ounces. Make sure your strawberries are completely dry. Any water will cause the chocolate to seize. Have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper ready for your dip treats. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable dipping process, leading to perfect results every time. To melt your chocolate, chop it into small, uniform pieces. This helps it melt evenly and prevents burning. You can use a double boiler over simmering water, ensuring the bowl doesn't touch the water. Alternatively, microwave the chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring every 30 seconds until it's smooth and glossy. Be careful not to overheat it, as this can make the chocolate thick and difficult to work with. Now for the fun part, dipping. Hold a clean, dry strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to ensure an even coat. Lift the strawberry, allowing any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl. Place each dipped strawberry onto your prepared parchment paper. For a beautiful finish, you can drizzle with contrasting chocolate or sprinkle with nuts before they set. Once dipped, let your chocolate-covered strawberries set. You can leave them at room temperature for about 30 minutes, or place them in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes for a quicker set. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days, though they are best enjoyed fresh. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.